What if your tools turned on just when you need them? With the new Speedglas 9100 XXI Auto Darkening Filter, you just grab the helmet and start welding. A motion sensor immediately turns on the ADF to your last welding filter settings, so you can quickly resume your welding. And when you're done, simply take it off. It turns itself off in 5 minutes. Grab and go. One of the many features of the new Speedglas Auto Darkening Filter 9100 XXI. Compatible with all 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet Series 9100. Is there a better way to see what you're welding? Wouldn't more natural color and contrast help? We think so. That's why we proudly present the new Speedglas Welding Filter 9100 XXI. Yes, this is a shade 3 light state, though the filter appears lighter and less green, allowing you to more readily recognize colors and contrasts. Even in the dark state when welding, you see contours better. Clearly more colorful. Just one of the many ways the Speedglas 9100 XXI filter may help you be more precise and productive. Compatible with all 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet Series 9100. What if you could switch from welding to grinding faster? We believe an external grinding button may help. It just takes one push and you're locked into shade 3, ready to grind. Another quick push and you're back to welding mode. No need to remove your helmet or even your glove. The new Speedglas Welding Filter 9100 XXI with external grinding mode. It's just at the tip of your glove. Just one of the many features from 3M. Compatible with 3M Speedglas Welding Helmets 9100, 9100 Air, and 9100 QR. What if your ADF could remember your favorite settings? Introducing Speedglas Memory Mode. Just push the external button for 2 seconds to pull up one of your 2 preset memory modes. Now you can completely customize your filter settings in just 2 seconds without having to take off your helmet or glove. Just one of the many ways the Speedglas Welding Filter 9100 XXI lets you be more flexible. Compatible with 3M Speedglas Welding Helmets 9100, 9100 Air, and 9100 QR. Would you like to configure your welding filter for different applications? By selecting just the right setting for each task, you help reduce eye strain and can improve the quality of every weld. With the new Speedglas 9100 XXI welding filter, we are introducing a new user interface. You can adjust your dark shade to 5, 8, and 9 through 13, depending on your welding application. And adjust the sensitivity level for arc detection. Less sensitive when you work close to other welders to avoid detection of their arc, or more sensitive, for example, when TIG welding. In applications when the melting gets very intense, you might like to have a longer delay of the welding filter opening to light state. A shorter opening time, for instance, when tack welding. Isn't it time you try out the new Speedglas 9100 XXI filter from 3M? Compatible with all 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet Series 9100.